Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button and you can see all of my videos as soon as they're uploaded. This story is called The Dinosaur That Pooped a Reindeer by Tom Fletcher and Dougie Pointer with illustrations by Gary Parsons. One Christmas, a note from the North Pole arrived for Danny and Dino, but what was inside? Dear Danny and Dino, it's time for a treat. You're both on the nice list, so come round to eat. I'm cooking a feast, and I'm really excited. Don't snack on the way or you'll be uninvited. Love, Santa. P.S. You won't really be uninvited, but I will not be happy. They boarded the North Pole Express in the snow. Dino was hungry, but Danny cried, "No!" The train rushed through forests with candy cane trees, then mountains of crackers with houses of cheese. With rumbling tummies, the pair remained strong and didn't snack once as the train chugged along. With one final chuff, the express train pulled in. "You're here!" Santa cried, with a big jolly grin. The feast's almost ready, but there's time before to show you the workshop and give you a tour. The room was in chaos with elves everywhere and a buttery smell that was filling the air. Dino ignored all the toys that looked cool as the elves' Christmas cookies were making him drool. Some big friendly reindeer were standing nearby, preparing to pull Santa's sleigh through the sky. He showed them some treats which were sparkly and bright. "These make my reindeer team fly through the night." For Dino, this sight was the very last straw. He gulped down the treats, but he still wanted more. He swallowed the reindeer and gobbled some elves, then munched all the gifts on the neatly packed shelves. "Oh no!" shouted Santa. "Now what will I do? You've eaten the treats and my reindeer crew too!" But Dino's quick meal made his brain whir and click. What if his bum could help save poor Saint Nick? To deliver the gifts, there was one thing to do. He'd push Santa's sleigh with some help from his poo! And so, with the squelchiest sparkling swoop, the sleigh started flying, propelled by the poop. Out flew the reindeer and presents galore as Dino pooped harder than ever before. Down every chimney the stinky team flew, and soon they had given each gift except two. "These are for you," Santa said with a smile. "You're back on the nice list, at least for a while. And now at long last my big feast awaits. It's gone a bit funny because we're so late." The turkey was burnt and the veg overdone, but nobody minded, they had so much fun. Then Danny and Dino both said their goodbyes, and all of the reindeer let out relieved sighs. So Christmas is magical, that much is true. So long as your presents aren't covered in poo. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.